Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk Seed Daily Multivitamin. You should use this product or not. Does it really work? And what are the things you need to keep in your mind before using this product? What is the correct dose and timing for this supplement, okay? And how much time it will take to give you results. So in this video we will cover lots of information, okay? So first of all, if we talk about this brand, basically this brand is really popular brand and this brand is 100% legit brand, okay? And if we talk about their product, yes, they have lots of product, but in this video we will talk about this product like daily multivitamin. So basically multivitamin, who should use multivitamin? So basically any man or woman who is suffering from any immune related problem, and if you have any issue related to your body like your body pain, weakness, or if you have any symptoms related to your vitamin like low energy, fatigue, and bone related and muscle pain, hair related problems, so it means you are suffering from lack of multivitamins, and here comes multivitamin. So if you take multivitamin, it will help in your digestion, it will help in your immune function, it will help in your, you can like providing lots of nutrients to your body, and it will also support your anti-aging, as in anti-aging, okay? So there are lots of benefits to taking supplements, but the thing is the result of multivitamins will not come overnight. It will take lots of time, like approx 1 month. In some cases it will take approx time 2 months, 6 weeks, 8 weeks. It depends on person to person. So the thing is, if you want to buy this multivitamin, yes, you can take it, and when you take this supplement, it will give you lots of benefits. After 2 or 3 weeks you will see lots of change in your body day by day. But there is one thing you need to keep in your mind, that is like auto refills. If you don't want any auto refill system, then you can go on Amazon.com and you can make a purchase of this multivitamin only for one time. If you want auto refills, then you can go on their official website and you can make a purchase. Because why I'm saying this thing, because when you make a purchase on their official website, they will activate auto refill system, and you have to pay lots of fees in the form of auto refill system. And if you don't want to buy their product for next time, then you can go on Amazon.com if you want only for one time purchase. And if we talk about like how to take this supplement and how to use, basically you need to take only one capsule with food, without food, or after breakfast. You can take only one capsule per day, and by using this way you can get lots of benefits. And you can see over here their ratings, each and everything is good. So I want to tell you, this video is not a promotion video, this video is only for education purpose. If you have any kind of medical condition, if you are facing any issue related to medicine, or if you have any kind of health related issues, then you can consult your doctor at least once before taking this supplement, okay? So this is the information. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.